Any ideas, guys? Let me take you back to the curries video. Whenever I seen this dryer and curries, I said I wanted it. But it was too expensive. Little did I know that not even, like a week later, this beast would be sitting in my spare room. So yeah, I got it. The Grundig GR 7700 dryer. The model is GT76824EW. So yes, this is it. I took the biggest risk of my life, considering the refrigerant that this uses. I can't use it yet as it's just been delivered and I have to wait 12 hours. Meh. But yeah, this is it in all its glory. Cycles are really good as well, so far. Well, from what I see from the display. Just a shame it doesn't have Wi-Fi. Quiet drying at 4 hours, like. Good God. So yeah, this will be my new dryer, obviously, and this is the videos that you're gonna get of this beast as it turns off the drum light, because why not? So I will film quite a few of the cycles on it, like I do with the washer, as that's what you want. So expect more of this beast.